one is so unique because we get to see them being picked today. That is a treasure. Wow.
Well, I don't know that are they actually picking the dates or are they just trimming the trees?
I'm not sure. That's a good question.
It
Pulling.
looks like they're...
Oh, I think you're right. They are trimming. Wow, that is amazing. Wow. Yeah, I think you're right, Phil. I think they are just trimming maybe some of the dead leaves. Yeah. But look how many dates there are just all the way around.